Maybe time to step it up a notch.
I don't know if I can do this. Yeah!
Oh! Do not mess up. This is your chance. No pressure, Carlos. What is up, you guys? We're here today with special guest, Zexy.
What's up?
Zek. And we're gonna do a gaming versus real life video today. Skate 3 versus Skate Team in real life. Wow.
I'm feeling pretty good. I think last year I won by 1 letter, so hopefully I can do better this time.
I feel like you had a really bad game last time you were here. Like, terrible.
It's like once the camera's all up in your face and like you're in a new environment, it's really hard to play video games.
I think it's gonna be a shutout. I think we're getting all tricks, landing.
That's pushing it a little. I think I can get at least 1.
All right, Rochambeau.
Oh.
All right, Carlos, take it down. Are you playing on hardcore or anything, or just normal?
Hardcore. We can mix it up a little.
I'm gonna do a manual to shove it. Let's see, let's start off with that. Oh my God!
Carlos has blown a manual. That doesn't happen very often.
So you're saying there's a chance?
There's definitely a chance.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and we're gonna be playing skateboard, by the way.
Gotta do a warm-up trick. Actually, let's screw the warm-up trick. We're going straight for him. We're gonna go 360 flip, down 3 stair.
Perfect.
No pressure. Oh,
wait.
I forgot I was in hardcore.
So it's not like it's not technically a 3 stair. It's like a 4.
Can I just delete the 4th stair real quick?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, what is that?
You just work on that. I'm gonna count that though.
Okay.
You guys both get tries, so if you would like to try Uzi, you can. He landed it.
Okay. Should I still work on this 3 stair? We'll just ignore it. We'll pretend it's not there.
Yeah. We had a better map for Skate 3, but our DLC is not working for some reason, so we're kind of just working with what we got.
Okay, let's go nollie to nose manual.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Oh, no one saw that. No one saw that. Erase that footage immediately. That'll end my entire career. All right, we're ready now. Come on, don't fail me now. Come on, come on. Yes!
Oh, yeah, man. That would have been cool.
I think I landed it.
No pressure, Carlos. Let's go. You've drawn blood. Now you just got to take him out. 9 letters left.
I'm gonna try to build up a lead here. We're gonna do a backside flip down the 5 stair. Oh yeah. I don't usually do this on hardcore, so this could be really bad. Oh.
Perfect.
Ow!
Come on, Dan.
My board exploded into my shin.
Letter! That's right. Take him out.
Let's see, what can we switch up this time? Would it be unfair to use the mini ramp because it looks like a half pipe?
No.
Let's do kickflip to fakie. I'm gonna drop in first.
That's huge.
Nice.
Kickflip to fakie.
Is there a trick that Carlos is just bad at? Or does that not exist? Back heel on the hip. Okay. Heel flip's not my best, must say. Back heel. Oh, look at that air.
You went so flat, I wouldn't have counted that.
I'm on a roll today.
You're on a cold streak of not landing anything for like 3 weeks. Oh! It's good!
I'm thinking kickflip, back lip on the rail.
Oh!
Not the handrail. No!
Oh no!
Oh man.
All right, Dan. Do not mess up. This is your chance.
I'd say Smith the rail, if anything.
Actually, that's a really good one.
Super easy, but I'll do it.
Smith the rail isn't easy in Skate 3.
No.
There you go, Dan. So very slow.
Oh! I missed the rail completely.
Letter!
Do crook 180. No, man! I should have waxed it.
Oh, okay. Let's just backlip the rail. We gotta warm up. Gotta make sure I know how to skate rails still.
Wow. Backlip the rail. Oh, damn! They're clutching it, man.
Yeah, I know. I feel like I'm not stepping it up enough. Maybe I go for a grab, you think?
Oh, yeah.
Melon grab down the 5?
Sure.
Not my best trick.
Wow.
I don't even know what a melon is.
I'm gonna count it. All right, maybe time to step it up a notch.
Step it up a full notch. Front side 360. down the 5? Side stepping it up? Or you think that's easy money? Or front side ollie north?
Are you trying to kill us?
Frontside 180, ollie north. Amazing. Oh! That's pretty close.
Never done that before in my life.
How you feeling, Lucitos?
Good. Just warming up. Coming for you, man.
Bigger flip the hip.
Okay.
Alright, that's it. Body!
Ah, my wrist.
Ow.
Oh! Very narrow miss.
Let's do a no comply onto the box.
Oh.
Oh, I don't know if I can do this. Yes.
That was actually so sick, dude. Wow.
We're going back to the mini ramp. We're doing a double flip to fakie now.
Oh.
I feel bad, but not that bad. Back crook, 180 out, front side on the hubba. No, I completely missed it, man.
Let's go, Carlos! Good luck, brother.
Oh yeah, not my area of expertise, that's for sure.
Can you even get into a block?
You can, it's just really hard. And there's not really a good way to do it. At least as far as I know. But I've seen it done. Bump up into this. Okay. And then right here. Oh, no, I couldn't get up to it.
Better! Wow.
They know my weaknesses. Oh, the lip slide. I'm afraid I'm gonna go too far. Oh! I should have been worried about the actual trick.
T!
I'll hit the oil slick.
All right, you
Okay.
gotta get them. They're coming for you. You gotta
Ollie
get
onto the box, hippie jump 180 off. Front side.
'em. It might be a little harder than we think.
Never mind. It's good.
They're asking for the heat now.
Oh, you better give it to him.
360 hippie jump. Oh, it's not gonna let me.
Oh! All right, Carlos! That was it, right?
I think so.
Wow, Dan. Good luck. Looks like it's gonna get tied up right now.
Oh, that's what you think. I've secretly been practicing for this exact moment.
It's tied up, brothers! E to E, 5 letters left.
Nose bending 360 blind shove.
Very nice.
That's gonna be interesting from a nose manual. Cause like on the controller, your finger is not in the right spot.
I know, that's why I did it.
Oh, okay. This guy's an experienced player. No.
Oh, that's a B!
It's time to end this, man.
Yep.
This is getting too close.
Take him out, take him out.
Laser flip down the 5 stair.
Oh! Cthulhu is gonna have to come out for the laser flip down the 5. That wasn't too bad, Dan. Oh my god! Dude!
Oh my.
What?
Dude, I can't
Bro, I'm shook.
I can't even do anything better than that.
What
man.
in the world?
So nollie double heel over the hip. the way that I turned last time. There it is.
There's like a
You might as well just add that letter now.
Oh man, need some ideas. Should I avoid the rail or screw the rail? Okay, let's do it. Front side 5-0 down the 5 stair. Usually got these.
All right.
All right.
Told you, bro. He had to end it before he got into his bag. I told you.
You do. What can you do? What's like the furthest limit that Dan will try?
Dan?
Yeah, just so that he's still in the game. I don't want to do stuff he's just not going to try. Let's go back to the crook 180 out.
Right. No, dude. It doesn't lock on.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
It's hard to get into 50-50 in this game.
It's hard to get into any grind in this game, man.
In Zexy's defense, he is playing on hardcore mode, which is cool. Dan, you need to clutch up right now, dude.
Clutch up.
Can you clutch up?
I got a trick that's like impossible on Skate 3, but I could just do easier ones. Yeah, I'll save that for the end.
Watch me turn the wrong way still. This is really hard and hardcore. Did I over?
Wow. That was sick. Oh.
Ooh, right at the end.
All right, over there.
Dirty.
Look how high it is in this game. It's like going up a mountain. And I think it's 2 separate pieces, so I might like catch in the middle. Dude, this is ridiculous. It's so tall.
Oh, wait.
There it
Hold
is.
up, hold up. I'm going to call a rebate on that. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's a fair game.
BOA, 2 letters left, Carlos. Front tail? Ooh. Last time Carlos tried this, he slid out.
Woo, my heart dropped right there.
You gotta clutch up, bro. You gotta clutch up. There you go. This is you got this for sure. 100%.
Dude, tail slides are not.
100%.
Tail slides are the worst of all of the slides. Oh!
That's an R.
R?
Man, if you clutch up, you can end this right here and now, brother.
We'll see. Nah. You haven't seen me do this trick.
Where? On the box?
On the box. Oh, I missed it.
What are you trying?
Hurricane.
Let's do a front side double flip down the 5.
Oh, that's the Jeff One song right there.
Ah! What? What was that?
Oh! Persistence coming soon.
Yep.
Front 360 down the 5. We're just going for all of them at this point.
Whoa!
I literally, it's been 5 years since I've done that down anything, dude. Okay.
What's your least favorite trick? Like if you just had to name one that you just really don't like to do.
Stuff on ledges or rails.
Okay, so we're gonna hit the 5 again. Nollie heel, turning backside. There it is.
I've wanted to do this down the 5, but I've just never tried it. So
Why not?
what better time?
That was weird. All right, Zex. It's the last letter. I think you know what you have to do.
Oh, on the last letter?
Yep.
I hope people aren't mad at this.
It's R to R, and now you got to go for the throat.
This wasn't my idea, but I'm in my domain now. We're doing a backflip off the Braille drop. This is harder than it sounds. Well, I guess it sounds pretty hard.
All right, here it is.
This is the moment.
All the money.
My whole career of
All the
Skate
money.
3 is built up to this. Backflip down the Braille drop. Okay, we're dropping into the wall.
Here we go.
Yeah!
Oh!
Backflip.
Yeah! What are they thinking here?
Dude, I don't know, but Uzi's got something on his mind. You can tell. He's plotting.
I don't trust Uzi. I feel like he's gonna try something stupid and then
hurt
actually
himself.
fall down the Braille drop. Why is he doing this? Wait, no, Dan, please, you're gonna get hurt.
Oh God. Backflipped it.
I think that just for creativity, that should count. Next, I'll just do a
That was
double
actually
backflip.
kind of scary because I.
Sure. All right, take it up a notch.
All right, I guess you can do the backflip, but can you do the miracle whip?
Carlos, you gotta do the miracle whip.
Just don't do it near the edge.
Just take the letter. Just take the letter.
Just don't do it near the edge.
Oh no, they're gonna hurt themselves just trying this.
I can't even see. Should I go?
He's doing it. No, Kylo. Just roll. Just roll from there. No. Kylo. No, don't go closer.
Oh, that was Oh, dude, the handstand up there is so scary.
We'll see it one more time.
All right, last try. Here we go.
You're scaring me. Full send. No. Well, I think that's it. I think Zexy Zek is the winner. And you are the winner.
Once again, to the last letter, it's always a great game coming.
Overall,
An amazing game. It was so much fun.
That was really fun.
That was a good game. Very
good.
close. I've never front flipped the Braille drop before, so.
And just think, that was without Fetty and Aaron and Nigel. All right, Zexy Zek has an amazing YouTube channel with a bunch of awesome gaming content, so if you want to check that out, as you should, go right there. Link in the description below. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you guys should learn how to skateboard. So go to brailleskateboarding.com for skateboarding made simple, tutorials, all that good stuff. Find it right there.